No, guys, this is not funny. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Please tell me you're kidding.
What's happening right now?
Do they merge?
Oh God!
Wait, at one time?
She says, "Come on, girls, let's go." Let's follow her. Maybe she knows the way out.
The dog thing would be.
Spawning ground.
Better not come here to dueling.
Oh God, it has rabies. For fuck's sake, if that thing comes over here.
No, you get sued. You will get sued.
Oh my God.
Where are your parents?
Hey, puppy.
Is that the parents?
Oh my God.
They come dog park? No.
Oh God.
What if it's illegal? I'm so afraid of that.
Those dogs are gonna run.
That one's cool.
Okay, okay. Come on, come on.
Where the hell is this?
It's not very friendly.
It's gonna come back to you if you throw it, Nick.
What is this? That's smart. Oh my God. It's gonna bite him and I'm gonna laugh so hard.
If a dog bites him.
I'm gonna laugh so hard if the dog bites him. If the dog bites him. Oh, sad face. Oh, I didn't bite him.
Shy.
Nick,
Shy.
it's not gonna touch you.
Yeah, Nick, come here. Nick, we have to do this freaking movie.
Come on, Nick. Stop getting distracted with the
My
doggy.
phone is over there, like on the ground.
It's okay, nobody's gonna touch it.
But the dog, like, eat it.
What is he doing?
Nicholas.
It's gonna get in the shot.
Whatever. It'll be your pet dog.
Belong to her.
No?
Oh God, they're in love.
Is that like its mating call?
No, it's a hound.
That's that dog. Oh my God.
Where do they all go?
That
My
red
dog
one?
is not that well trained at all. If I let my dog out like that.
Okay, Nick. What's up?
Wait, do that again?